Great trip. Very clean and beautiful place. Staff is so friendly. Main buffet, seafood, Japanese and Dominican food all delicious, great room service too. Beautiful cabanas on the beach and poolside if you go VIP. Can't wait to return. Best 5-star hotel in Punta Cana. Good food, beautiful beach, they always clean out the seagrass, and lovely people. Worth the money. My wife and I went for vacation and absolutely loved it. Check-in was rough though. It took us 4 hours to get checked in, and when we did get checked in they took us to the wrong room. The room had 2 full beds instead of the 1 king we requested, and the room hadn't been fully cleaned. There was pee on the toilet seat. The staff responded promptly to our concerns and moved us an appropriate room. From then on it was smooth sailing. Our new room was great. The food and drinks were on the resort were good too. There are many places to eat on the resort that range from average to really good. Overall we were really pleased with the quality. Service staff was great and was very attentive to our needs. No complaints at all on that end. Probably the most important part, at least for US travelers, was that the coordination of COVID testing was very smooth. There is an on-site clinic that does rapid tests for free and they book your appointment when you check in. Would go again. Great experience, great service, great staff, good environment, safe and very attentive to COVID precautions. We will return.